Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Arabic with Dina. Today I'm going to teach you an important lesson, so please focus with me. But before we start the lesson, please don't forget to do subscribe and like and share the video with your friends. Are you ready? Let's begin. The lesson entitled How can you pronounce the letters in Arabic language? Today we have three letters. It's lam, mim, noon. Repeat after me, please. Lam, mim, noon. The first one is lam. How can I pronounce this is letter? Is lam in Arabic equal l in English? When I say lion, lamb, lion, or lemon. After then, mim, mim. Mim in Arabic equal m in English. When I say man, morning, moon. We have also noon. Repeat after me, please. Noon. Noon in Arabic. How can I pronounce this is letter easily? Noon in Arabic equal in English. When I say knowledge, noon, knowledge, or nurse, nurse. Again, today I teach to you three letters only. It's named lam, mim, noon. Lam, mim, noon. Really, I'm so happy when I teach you this video. If you have any questions, tell me in the below of comments and I will reply to you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Inshallah. مع السلامة.